All right. This is a CPAP hose holder. Now, it could be used two different ways, all right? People hang it this way pretty much to hang the actual tubing and anything else, or double knot the tube here. Now, they do give you two of them, all right? And also the adhesive that you're going to require to plug them into the back. And you could remove them. So if it falls down or maybe you want to relocate it, you can just do that by pulling it out. It's kind of more like a gel adhesive. And it's very simple to install here in the back. And this could not only be used for the CPAP valves, but you could use it for other things too, cable management and so forth. But they give you two of them. They come in multiple colors. I hope you guys enjoy the video.